Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to get the free music, okay? Free music and album for iTunes Store. Not exactly iTunes Store, okay? We're gonna use the music tool, right? These music apps. So we go to the iTunes Store. So we're gonna search for music we want right here. Go to search. I'm gonna look for example like Future. Okay, free how. Okay, as you guys can see here, the song cost $129. Okay, but I don't want to buy the song, I want to have for free. So I go back, okay, to my music. Make sure you have an Apple account first. Okay, go and search for the song like Future freak out. Okay, here we have the song. Okay, when I click on it, it starts to play. So you see the last one at the bottom, okay, the right. I wanna click on it, and then okay, when I create one playlist, simple right here, new playlist. So I wanna name it like download. Okay, Future. Yeah, Future. So done. This song right now is on my playlist. I go back to my music playlist. I find right here Future. I wanna click on the, you guys see a edit and then the cloud. I wanna click on it. Oops. And start to download. Okay. When finish, okay, you guys will see the like mobile logo. Okay, that's mean that song is on your cell phone. Okay, that's easy. Okay, I can play now this song, okay, when I want to. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, okay, and hit the like button. So see you guys next time. Peace.